This 5-minute solution will show you how to block and unblock someone on Instagram. Blocking and unblocking process is super easy. Just follow me to do it. Go ahead and launch your Insta application. And now, to block a specific profile, we need to search the profile first. Tap on this magnifying glass icon and tap on this search at the top. And now, type here the profile name you want to block. Just go to the profile. And now, to block this profile, tap on this 3 dot at the top right and tap on block. Tap on block. And this is how we can block someone on Instagram. And now let's see how to unblock or how to view your block list. To do that, go to your Instagram profile page. Tap on this menu icon at the top right. Tap on settings and privacy. Here, scroll down. Tap on blocked. And here you will get your block list. Now, to unblock any user, tap on unblock next to the user. Tap on unblock. And this is how we can block and unblock someone on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 minutes solution. See you in the next video.